Following portion of the show is sponsored by Dryer Vent Wizard of Central Indiana.
That's right. We've got owner Doug Mayfield here with some pro tips for keeping your dryer vents clean and safe.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the thing, because this could go very wrong if they're not. So, Doug, we got to talk to you. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Good. Thanks for having me.
Tell us more about Dryer Vent Wizard and what you do.
So we clean, repair, install dryer vents.
Okay.
So anything dryer vent related, we do.
Okay.
So many times we go into homes where they think they just need a dryer vent cleaning, but they might have the wrong type of material. So I brought in some things to show. Like this is what your vent line is supposed to be made of, solid pipe.
Yep.
Okay.
Now, stuff behind the dryer is a little bit different.
Yep.
Like this is some stuff that I've brought in. We got a little bit of lint.
Oh, yeah, that
Look
was
at
lint
that.
in here. Yeah, there we go.
And a burn mark. So
It's like a close call there.
correct. This type of material is not what is supposed to be behind the dryer.
Okay.
We have this stuff, looks very similar, called Wizard Flex,
Okay.
which I want you to feel because you'll be able to tell the difference.
Okay, yeah.
Sure. It's like a
It's-
giant sling.
I was just going to say that.
But it's
Yeah.
it's solid.
Really solid.
That's
Right.
just-
I
yeah.
didn't bring in the torch.
Yeah.
I figured probably wouldn't be good on air to show you the difference because
Way
this stuff,
different from this material, though.
It feels like just a,
This is flimsy.
it's like aluminum foil compared.
Right.
Oh my goodness. Do people all the time, I don't know, maybe you see this, they're surprised to know that they've got something like this installed and they didn't even know it?
Correct. Because
Wow.
the thing is, like, you can get this at the hardware store.
Yeah.
And that's what you think you're supposed to be doing, but it is supposed to be more of a rigid material.
Yeah.
More sturdy.
Yep.
It's-
Got it back.
There
Got
you
it.
go.
There
It's
it is.
close.
It's just-
we won't put it back in the pack.
Yeah, yeah.
It's fine. Talk to us about the exterior, too, because
Yep.
I know that's important as well.
Absolutely. So, many homes we go into, you're going to see something like this.
Okay.
Bird guard. They are the worst.
Yeah, sure.
Bird getting in vent lines. But this does not meet code because what happens is lint is going to collect in this.
Yep.
Then your dryer's not breathing properly. So all that moisture and the lint that's supposed to escape the vent line is getting stuck in the vent line.
Not good.
Then you're going to get, moisture stuck in there.
Look at the video of that all coming out of there.
Yep.
It's kind of satisfying.
I know,
in a way.
seriously.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these were videos from here locally.
Wow.
Stuff that we've done, cleaning out the vent lines.
Okay, so now once that all comes out, you clean it up, obviously.
Absolutely.
Off the yard.
Yep,
and stuff.
yep.
How many of these are you guys doing a week? I mean, you got to be keeping busy, I would imagine.
We are. I've got 5 technicians right now.
Okay.
We cover all of central Indiana.
Yeah.
We go up to Bloomington, down to Bloomington,
Yes.
up to Lafayette.
Okay.
Yes.
We go west, Crawfordsville. We're going east.
Okay. What am I seeing?
I know, I was
Yep,
just going to say, I'm a little
right,
distracted by
right.
whatever's going on here.
So we want to keep little critters out of the vent lines as well.
Yeah.
So we have a vent cover that's
Okay.
got 2 doors. So as you can see,
Oh.
so birds like to get in these vent lines. And it's got a little
Right.
bit of a magnet to it that holds it.
Okay.
So birds aren't going to get in both of these doors. So
Yeah.
that's another thing where some of these,
Well, because if an animal does get in there, I'm sure that could be very bad.
correct.
You've seen some critters up there?
We have.
Yeah.
We have.
What
yeah.
have you seen?
Chipmunks like to get
Okay.
in there. We've seen some smaller raccoons
Okay.
that didn't quite make it, but
Yeah.
So that one.
You don't want that.
You don't
No.
want that.
You don't want that.
It's not a real one.
No.
Just
And
right.
that's the thing. This is, if you don't know what you're doing, which most people don't, me included, this can be a huge hazard. Fire
Absolutely.
hazard, I
Right.
mean, you're the works, and I'm
Yeah.
sure you've
Correct.
seen it all.
Right.
So how often should people be cleaning it out?
They are on the back of a dryer. It tells you on the little fine
Yeah.
print that nobody reads. It's supposed to be inspected yearly. What I tell people is if it's taking longer than when was the last time yours was clean?
I can see it on his
I've
face.
Okay.
owned our home since 09. I'm like, I think I just do the little vent on top.
Okay.
I probably need to have you
I
guys
think you need to go out
You
to work.
might. You might.
make a visit.
Yeah. So I tell people if it takes longer than 45 minutes to dry a normal load of clothes,
Yes.
that's when it's time to get your dry vent cleaned.
That's how you know.
Yeah, because the vent lines, some of them, they are the width of a wall.
Yeah.
And then there are some that are 30 plus feet.
Wow.
So it depends.
It's good to know, especially because it
so
could be a
good.
potential fire hazard.
Oh, yeah.
You could
Absolutely.
You could be walking a really fine line here and not knowing it.
And you
Right.
might think it's your dryer, and it's not. It's everything going on behind the scenes.
Correct.
Yeah.
A lot of people replace dryers thinking it was the issue. And
Yeah.
It was just the vent line.
Okay,
Wow.
and you've got a deal for Indy Now viewers, $20 off cleaning or 10% off a repair if you mention Indy Now when booking an appointment. You can go to IndyDryerVentGuys.com. Make sure you mention Indy now and save a little bit of cash there. Thank you so much for being here.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
stuff to know.
Yes, I know. I think it's inspiring a lot of people to get everything checked out.
Yep.
So got that information
Good
right
time
there.
to do it, too.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
The preceding portion of Indy Now is sponsored by Dryer Vent Wizard.
Yeah, we want to say thanks